Hi, it's Tim again. I wanted to show you something cool that happened with ChatGPT and DALL-E and how I'm going to use it for another post on January 6th. Let's go ahead and go over to our ChatGPT page. And what I did is I asked it simply to say, create me a picture around the word catalyst. What it did is it created me this picture. I think that is a fantastic picture of what catalyst would look like. As it says down here, here's an image representing the concept of catalyst, visually depicting the idea of sparking change or initiating action with vibrant colors and dynamic elements. So let me go back. Let's go into let's go into Canva and see how I'm going to just give it that little extra oomph for my posting. So let me share another screen. So what I did, let me stop that. So what I did is I went ahead and I copied this into my Canva, and then I added this element on top of it, and that is just a picture of a robot hand. And it's really cool. Again, we're going to do a little bit of editing with it. So I'm going to edit it and then put it right in the middle and have it look like it's the robot hand, which represents AI, is then touching and starting that catalyst of change. Then what I'm going to do is add the title for my post. And let me get that in there. I'm sorry, I lost it. So AI is the catalyst. Add our favorite heading that we use here at Your AI Wizards. And then I'm going to put it in there. And then I'm going to make it bigger and I'm going to make it lighter. So I'm going to highlight it all. Give it a light. And then I'm going to just make it bigger so it covers most of the screen. So you can make it a little bigger than that. That looks good right there. All right. So then I'll just add our logos. Let's go ahead and grab those from a previous post. And I'm just going to, since they're already there, I'm just going to copy them. Paste them. We'll leave them with the white background. Maybe move this one over a little. There we go. And just by typing that word or asking DALL-E to create a picture, it gave me this. It gave me the idea for my post, and it's ready to go. Look for this post again on January 6th. And stay tuned for more fun things that we're doing with DALL-E and Canva and how we can make your business be a catalyst for change. This is Tim. We'll see you next time.